Taking my sweet time, feels right. Living in the moment, 'cause I know where I'm going. I'm taking my sweet time, each time. Sick and tired of seeing people always running in circles, chasing lies that never got them past the surface. What happened to our purpose? And don't believe the settling on what comes easy takes courage. Don't let haters tell you that it's not worth it. Don't let them take your purpose. I'm taking my sweet time, feels right. Living in the moment, 'cause I know where I'm going. I'm taking my sweet time, each time. I started seeing that the good life has 100 different faces. Talk to my future on a first name basis, 'cause life is what you make it. Now I'm realizing that everything I face is at the stage. I know who I am and I don't need to fake it, 'cause I already made it. Taking my sweet time, feels right. Living in the moment, 'cause I know where I'm going. I'm taking my sweet time, feels right. Living in the moment, 'cause I know where I'm going. I'm taking my sweet time, each time. And I ain't got nothing to prove. Better off in my own shoes. I ain't rushing, I ain't making no excuse. Taking my sweet time, feels right. Living in the moment, yeah, 'cause I know where I'm going. I'm taking my sweet time, feels right. Living in the moment, yeah, 'cause I know where I'm going. I'm taking my sweet time, each time. The look on your face told me we'd be alright. Walking down the sidewalk as we took a ride off a Riverside Drive. Wasn't something you said, you were so carefree. With all that's on my mind, used to find a way to get to me. I need a little sunshine. It's been a hard year. I had a lot of dark nights, yeah. And we're still waiting on some daylight to reappear. Na 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 na, smoke to clear. Na 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 na, I need a little sunshine. Got me staring at you. I was lost in the days, waiting at the crosswalk, nothing to say. Asked if I was okay. I started to smile, couldn't help myself. Said it's been a while since I felt this kind of peace inside. I need a little sunshine. Oh, it's been a hard year. Had a lot of dark nights, yeah. And we're still waiting on some daylight to reappear. Na 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 na, smoke to clear. Na 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 na, I need a little sunshine. nights, and we're still waiting on some daylight. I need a little sunshine. Oh, it's been a hard year. Had a lot of dark nights, yeah. And we're still waiting on some daylight to reappear. Na 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 na. Smoke to clear. Na 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 na. I need a little sunshine. Looking for changing myself. Taking the easy way out is never gonna take me there. The more that I loosen the grip, the harder it is to forget that I'm the one who keeps me here. I'm holding the key in my hand, trying to stick to the plan of what I know, but I don't know. 'Cause I don't really wanna let go. I need something that'll take me home, take me home. I've been driving on this long road, but I don't really wanna take it slow, take it slow. Moving through cities and towns, trying to make out the sound of what it is that brought me here. With every step that I take, I'm wondering if all this hate is really gonna get me there. I'm holding the key in my hand, trying to stick to the plan of what I know, but I don't know. 'Cause I don't really wanna let go. I need something that'll take me home, take me home. I've been driving on this long road, but I don't really wanna take it slow, take it slow. And maybe it's the right time this time. I might stop this fight, stop this fight. 'Cause I don't really wanna let go. I need something that'll take me home, take me home. Take me home. Take it slow. 'Cause I don't really wanna let go. I need something that'll take me home. I've been driving on this long road, but I don't really wanna take it slow. 'Cause I don't really wanna let go. I need something that'll take me home, take me home. I've been driving on this long road, but I don't really wanna take it slow, take it slow. And maybe it's the right time this time. I might stop this fight, stop this fight. 'Cause I don't really wanna let go. I need something that'll take me home, take me home. And maybe it's the right time this time. I might stop this fight. I've been finding all kinds of feelings in unusual places. I've been holding on to a promise that don't even make sense. And I've got 1,000 excuses of why I can't do this. My mind's been driving me crazy for days. To unusual places. I'll keep telling myself I'm fine, believe every word that it just takes time. But is it actually worth it? I know I'm not the only one. I know I'm not the only one. I've been losing all kinds of memories to unusual faces. I've been letting go of the moment, 'cause I don't wanna face it. And I don't need one more opinion, 'cause I'm done pretending. My life is hanging on every word from unusual faces. I'll keep telling myself I'm fine, believe every word that it just takes time. But is it actually worth it? I know I'm not the only one. I know I'm not the only one. And I know that I tried, but I can't find questions to find the answer in time. Passing the time, blocking my mind, deep in my heart, and I know why. Can I know why? Can I know why? Something like love would run me dry. Run me dry. I know I'm not the only one. 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 I know, I know I'm not the only one.
Thank you for practicing with me today. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button if you would recommend this video to your friend. See you soon on the mat.